Okay guys, we're back in the office. It's a bit cleaner here, it's not that oily, and we got our clutch from the ClutchMax in USA, and we're gonna do the unboxing and see how does it look and what we got. So that's supposed to be stage 4 clutch, ceramics. It's nicely packed. It came from US. I ordered it 3 days ago and it's here. So, oh, it's a big bag. Let's take this box out. Franco? Full Franco. So there we have the first box. Even though the ClutchMax is fairly new in the aftermarket clutches, but they are making clutches for OEM manufacturers for nearly 20 years now, and I'm pretty sure this race clutch is gonna be just fine. So what we see now, we have a Sachs throwout bearing installation guide. We're gonna do the installation this weekend. Hopefully we're gonna film it and we're gonna do the full tutorial how to put it in your car and how does it fit and how does it look and how does it feel as well. We also have the alignment tool for the clutch. It's a pretty high quality. I like the bearing as well. One more box. All right, that's the clutch disc. It's really nicely packed. It's a 6-plate ceramics clutch plate with the 6 springs. Clutch material, the ceramics looks really good, high quality. Now I like that it has 6 springs. All the springs are enclosed and they look pretty stiff and pretty thick material. As I know, they are made in Germany. What about that, the pressure plate? Okay, so I'm really happy with the quality and it's definitely a big yes for the ClutchMax. I can't wait to put it in the car and test it out in a city and in a track. Maybe we're gonna go to the burnout pad, who knows, and test it out, do a burnout and see how is it holding as the flywheel side. So it's gonna be like that. The other box. Oh, Franco, you're gonna have so many toys. That was the big weight for this part. It should be the lightened flywheel. And what is that? I have the bolts, and that's the flywheel itself. Oh yeah, guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to put it in and go test it on the track. I'll definitely do the video, how we go on the track, how does the pedal feel, how does it hold. There. It feels much lighter than that we have at the moment, and at the moment we had the original dual mass flywheel. So this one is a single mass performance flywheel. It's probably 3 times lighter than the original one. There you go, the full set. ClutchMax Stage 4 ceramics kit for the BMW 330i that we're gonna put to our race car. I highly recommend those. I can't say yet how it's gonna feel in the car, but what I see now, it's really high quality. And the good part about it, they are not that expensive, as I said, they are fairly new in the market. They have these kits from stage 1 to stage 5 to many cars. You can check those if they have one for your car at clutchmax.net. And yeah, let's go change our clothes and go back to the garage.